Hey everybody, HighTech HighTouch is coming to Buffalo Thursday, March 26th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Download the event app to stay informed on the schedule and more. How do you do that? Go to HighTech HighTouch.fun, find the menu in the top left-hand corner, and then select the app link. That will take you to a page where you can download it from the App Store or the Play Store. Once it's downloaded, you'll be able to find it on your phone and then select the search button. This is where you'll type hi, and that's all you'll need because you'll see HighTech HighTouch for March 26th. Join the event and then type your email address. Once you've entered your email address, it's going to ask you a couple more things like your first name and your last name, and then you'll select a password to choose to log in and accept the terms of the app. Once you're signed up, you can save the password so it finds it, and from there you'll get an activity stream like all great apps. You'll know what's going on. You'll see posts from the speakers and the sponsors, some of the details of the event. You can even choose who's coming to the event, who's already registered the app, as well as the schedule. And you can select those as well and find out what's going on in each. Who are the speakers? And then lastly, anything else like photo album, video album, even news that we're posting on the event itself. So check it out, and we hope to see you there. HighTech HighTouch.